you call your town council and you're like, yes, could you please come and fix the pothole on Main Street? And they get there and there's like a guy hucking grenades. That's a little different. Oh yeah, I have another gear too. Hey, you've got another one of those cogs. Put it on the machine and see if anything happens. Let's do it, Boomer. I spot you 2 of Boomer's specials. Click, click. And now it goes like this. Bang, and then it just keeps going. Well, I should save it, maybe. If you spot Cranky on your travels, tell him his dinner's gone cold. It's good to have a visit from you, kitty. All you ever see on televisions these days is repeats. Well, I hate to tell you this, Wrinkly, but this game is kind of a repeat. It's pretty old at this point. I don't want to hear your fourth wall meta nonsense. Tyrant twin tussle instead, then. Hello? You're the tyrant twins, I assume. No, that's... We are... Whoa. We're not twins, we just look similar. Up. Whoa. Secret spider time. Can I, like, shoot these guys? You can. Oh, they get real mad about it, too. Heh. Well, I just made this level a whole lot easier. But here, deal with this like jumping patterns of these 2 guys that interact. Gotta make your way between Tweedledee and Tweedledum, and now I'm just like, you know what? I have a better idea. I'm gonna kill them. Well, that works too, I guess. Oh, the spots where you're supposed to stand to be safe, except that I killed them. Everywhere is safe. What? The webs follow the ground? Look at that. It's awesome. Up. Well, this level's a heck of a lot of fun. Like, I mean, you know, they clearly expected you to do this. They put it in the game. But, huh. Oh, that's neat. Ow, that's less neat. There we go. Oh, that's fun. Oh, and I nearly got crushed. I mean, yeah, like you had to do it to get the bonus and get this. But it still feels like I'm cheating and making it too easy, which is great. Here, collect these stars while avoiding these guys. Again, I have a better idea. I kill them. Okay, that works. Back to it the normal way. Jump over them. I see. Or actually through would probably work. Yep. Thread the needle. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why am I... Oh, that's probably bad. Ah. Does that come back by any chance? Doesn't. Go like this, wait for them to... Oh, okay, use my invincibility frames. Okay, wait for them to come back. Whoa, hello. Yeah, it's fine. We did it. We don't need to do it again. Okay, now there's bees. Huh. Up or down? I guess it's easier to go down later. Okay, this way he's got this. Seems fine. What is down here at? Just that? Wow. Okay. Up's the way to go. One way you get reward, the other way you get nothing. Which way do you want to go? Alright. Do that. Well, you have to do that, but, you know, better. Secret barrel? I thought it was gonna be like a coin. Bah! I see. Well, okay, at least it's... Try again. That's nice. It's like, here's a thing at the end of the level. If you fail, immediately jump back in. Where's... Look at there. Oh, whoa, hey now. Okay. This is going well. That was a thing. It's a thing we did. I was about to jump in like banana. Oh, right, I don't. Yeah. Let's do another bonus while we're at it. Swoopy salvo. I don't like the sound of that. Salvo. Alright, well, there's no buzzsaw coming after us, so... Like, that's... Oh, it's the Woody Woodpecker looking dudes. Okay, we got a squawks level. And that's cool. Yeah. Ah. It's like I saw one swoopy. That's not really a salvo, but can you even hit them? I don't know. Not like that, you can't. There. How about down here? This goes on for a bit. Yeah. All right. Bonus. That. Whoa, hey, wait. But now I'm not Squawks? Better give me another Squawks bear. Yeah, that's what I thought. Wait, this, okay. That's where the barrel is, so we're going this way. I got lost. Lost in a giant redwood. If that just ain't the... Okay, so that's not worth it. That's a barrel. Which I don't, like, we don't need any more of. The only thing that's left to my knowledge is the flower, and I think we just get that by beating the I don't know if it's this world or the whole game. You know, then the flower grows back and you just pick it. So, like, the only thing the coins are good for right now is playing the mini game. Which... Well, still don't know if you can hit him or not because one shot was too low, the next shot hit the tree. Gorilla versus hedgehog. Parrot versus woodpecker. These are the things that keep us up at night. The natural order is thrown all off balance. Who will win this fight? Yes, you can hit them. Just not easy to do. Alright, we don't need to do that. We already got it. That's not worth it. Hit. Yeah, because I think you're supposed to go this way, so... Yeah. I don't like that. But I want to see what it is. Because it could be a bonus barrel, is what I was about to say, and then it just showed it. Whoa! Hi. A little crisscross pattern, I see. Alright. I mean, I can handle that. I was just not expecting. I can't handle it. Oh, no. Hi. Those look like hummingbird beaks because they look really thin. But, you know, I guess maybe they've just been shoring up their beaks for the attack of the parrots. Who am I to judge the biology of this game? So you'd have to be crazy to try and make sense of it, because only a crazy person could. No, stop with the terrible spawns. I'm sorry. Sneezing. I was like, I can't put my controller down to mute it while I sneeze. And I'm like, wait, I have a pause button. Alright, got the coin, that's good. Well, there's the O. And there's, alright, there's our halfway point, yeah. What is it with these levels giving you an animal for the first part, and they're like, okay, I'm glad you had fun, but now it's time for the annoying part of the level where you're just a monkey again. Like, I'd like to be special. Like, no. You don't get to do that. Blah. Blah. Too many swoopies. It is a literal salvo of swoopies. At least I've been informed. That's what the level said. I'm just... hold the up button. Go westward, young man. Go upwards, young monkeys. Everyone knows that quote. It's famous. Oh, wait. Whoa, what the? There were like two of them stacked together when I first came up. Hey, where am I supposed to wait? Ugh. Bad woodpecker. Nothing up there. Although, I think I actually see it. And that doesn't explain where the DK barrel was, but... Oh, and they give you one right here anyway. That's fun. Eh. Oh. And now I'm even more confused. Where is that noise coming from? Huh. I mean, we found a bonus level, but... Okay, well, here's one, but... A, useless. B, that's not the one we would have heard before, right? What? I get out of here. With amazing skill, that's it. Too bad I don't have amazing skill. All right, now, just like this, right? Yeah. I don't see anything else over there. Okay. You cannot roll into them. Huh. Good to know, I guess. Oh. And don't bounce on him. Then jump. There we go. You gonna fall off? You are. I'm gonna just wait. It's all the swoopers. I don't trust. I don't. Is that it? All right. Okay then. Great. Yeah, let's turn in the gears while we're here's. Cogs, I'm sorry, not gears. I lied. What? Last special's 25. Ugh. This feels like the, I mean, I guess it predates it, so the other one would feel like this, but the Ocarina of Time, the guy selling you magic beans. And he's like, they're 10 a piece because no one wants them. Well, they're 20 a piece. They're 30 a piece because they're selling well. And you're like, I'm the only one buying them. This isn't how supply and demand works. And like, yes, it is. I got the supply. You demand them, so. Yep. Let me through. Let me through. Let me through. Pothole panic. I mean, potholes aren't usually a panic unless you're driving. So, okay, I was gonna be like, you know, a pothole in the ground isn't really an issue for someone walking, and it's really not an issue for someone flying. That's not a pothole. That is a guy throwing explosives at you. Those are two very, very different things. Like, you call your town council and you're like, yes, could you please come and fix the pothole on Main Street? And they get there and there's like a guy hucking grenades. That's a little different. Oh, wait, I don't know if you can slip under him at the top. His name is Pothole. I'm sure it is, but... Actually, it'd have to be, like, his first name is Pot, his last name is Hole, because there was a space. Or maybe you're panicking because, like, they're making potholes by bombing the ground. Like, normally potholes are caused by things like water getting into it, then freezing and thawing and expanding the hole. In this case, it's from a guy just straight up blowing it up. Oh, I wanted to go over here, I bet. Yeah. Are we having an animal antics level? Just give us some of everybody? Okay. Not sure why they feel the need to stick all these, like, loot guys in with just single bananas, but who am I to judge? I'm a ape riding a swordfish. That's who I am to judge. Okay. Just keep on trucking. Okay, get some bananas. Oh, you don't get to snurfle up the water. Can I ride you with an elephant? Yes. Okay, stop that. No! Ellie! Oh, you can swim. I forgot. Ow. I wanna see what's up there, but I don't know that I can actually get up there. It seems weird that they're doing a, like, here's all the animals type of level, but they're not letting you actually, like, fire with Ellie. Okay. It's like, Squawks, he can fly. On guard, he can stab things underwater. Ellie, she can squirt stuff. No, she can just ride her. It's just like walking. In fact, you have a harder time swimming because you can't go under the water. All right. Oh, leave me alone. Well, we know he's not getting away. Oh, I'm lost. Oh, that is some slowdown. So you just get banana, run back. Seems fun. Oh no. I can do it. Woohoo! Okay. Where be the DK coin? There be the DK coin. Huh. Let's see. So I guess I go up here. That it. Okay, I haven't... Yeah, I mean, the guy's name must be Pothole, but What did that have to do with potholes? Ropey rumpus. I don't want to hear your fourth wall meta nonsense.